Hello, this short video should show you how to create and install custom logos for the SkyDrop variometers for paragliders. I'm not in any kind affiliated with SkyBean. I'm just an open source contributor which likes to improve the SkyDrop, which is completely made open source. So you first have to install Python, which is the language used in order to configure and create the logos. I assume you are running Windows, therefore this demo is for Windows users. However, for Linux it's quite similar and should be even more easier. You start by downloading Python. There are various releases for Pythons, especially version 2 and 3. The configuration program should work on both versions. I choose version 3, which is the newest one, and I download the 64-bit version, which is typically used on most systems, except you have an older system which will then use the 32-bit version. You start by downloading the executable installer, which takes a few seconds, and after checking for security you execute it. You could keep all the settings, especially one is important: you have to add Python to your path variable. If you do not, then you have to use the path where you installed Python. In my case, uses appdata local programs Python 3.6 on every command which you are using afterwards, which is a high effort. Therefore, I would propose to add that to the path. Then install now. He asks for permissions to change the system, which is adding the path variable. It installs Python and pip, which is the Python installer for additional Python modules. We need some additional module named Pillow, which is used for graphical stuff. Therefore, we first install Python, then use the pip program to install Pillow afterwards, and then we can start using and creating the logo. The installation of Python and the Pillow module has to be done only once on your system. If it's installed, you can use the programs as often as you like. I install it into a virtual machine, a clean Windows machine, which has nothing installed before. Okay. Now we check if Windows is indeed available. Python, sorry. Therefore, we use the terminal program, the Windows command line, which is under additional stuff. As you see, I'm not typically a Windows user. So here we go. If we type Python, this should execute the program previously installed. And yes, it's here. It's 3.6.4 as we have selected. After entering quit, we can execute the program. So Python is successfully installed. Next step is to install Pillow, which is done by using pip install and then Pillow. This will download Pillow and install it. Here we go. Now we are ready with the installation stuff. What we now have to do is we have to download the conversion program from GitHub, where all the stuff for SkyDrop can be found. We search for SkyDrop on GitHub, and that's the official repository of the company SkyBean. Here we see the complete source code of the program. We have to go to SkyDrop, then Utilities, Image, and now we need that program. It's Convert Image to Logo. You open it. Here you see the source code of the program, which is not important for us. We download it. We go to RAW and click on with the right button saying Save Target As, and it stores it into the Downloads folder on my PC, which is okay. And now returning and change into the Downloads folder. You should now see the Convert Image program. There's also the Python executable we previously downloaded, which I remove now. Otherwise, if I enter Python, we will get some problems. Now we execute Python, convert image to logo, and see, yes, it works. All the modules are in place, Python is in place, and Pillow is in place. Therefore, we could now create the logo. I use simply Notepad as the paint program. Here we go, paint. And we create a picture with a size of pixel 84 times 48. No, we do not want to keep aspect, therefore 84, 48. That's the size of the screen of the SkyDrop. Now we can paint the logo and do something like, you have only black and white, nothing else. Something like this. This is our logo. Now we save it. I also go to the Downloads folder and save it as my logo.png. That's a graphics file format used. You could also use any other, but that's a good one. Now again, Python convert my logo, and now specify the name logo. This is important because that's the name where the SkyDrop is looking for. Anything finished, we now see the logo, which is 504 bytes big. There are additional programs on the SkyDrop page here, which you could use to convert a logo to an image. That's the reverse way, or to plot it out to ASCII. This is not very useful. So what you now have to do is copy that logo file onto the SkyDrop's root directory by simply inserting the SkyDrop as a drive by using the USB cable, copy over logo, and start your SkyDrop with a new customized logo. Hope that helps. Keep on using that fantastic device, which I use all over. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.